What do you want, little buddy? Huh? What do you want? What are you doing? You want some seed? I'm just about to give you some. You can't have that seed. That's for the babies. Huh? Do you want to wait a second and just let me get some out for you? This is a wild cockatoo. This is what it's like when you have wild cockatoos living near your place and you feed out seed to all the other birds. They decide that they become part of the family too. Aren't you, sweetie? What? Now you're happy, eh? I'll give you some seed. Yeah. Yeah. Don't look at me like that. You must be a newbie. What? Hello. He's a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. Yeah.